Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, super silky Brazilian cream cheese. Now it's not lactose or dairy free, but it is gluten free. So if you want to know how to do that, click the like button, subscribe to my channel. This recipe is part of a collaboration and the links to all my collaborators will be in the video description. So please go visit their channels and watch their recipes as well. Thank you. Requijao, requijao, cream cheese in Portuguese. I got this recipe from Olivia's blog, and the link to that will be in the video description. Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful recipe. Much better. Look at that. Really nice consistency. Yeah. I'm just going to add quite a bit because I didn't salt the other part. Maybe a half, 2, 3. So I'm going to scrape down the sides because there was a little pocket of cheese that got. Nice amount of salt. Can taste the cheese, but it's not like super cheesy. It's really nice. The finished product, I love it. It looks so amazing. This recipe tastes really good on its own, but because I love chili powder, I'm going to do a version with chili powder. And because I love turmeric, I'm going to do a version with turmeric.
This one is going to stay plain for me, and I will have a container of plain for my son, a container of plain for my daughter, and then I'll make these two. So let's start with turmeric. Turmeric's always nice, turns everything bright orange, and I love it, so I can put quite a bit. My daughter won't like this. That is quite a bit, but anyway, it's okay. But my son-in-law and my son would like it. And there goes the pepper lid on the floor. And you want to add pepper with your turmeric because it helps turmeric. They have a synergy and work together. And I like pepper, so let's do lots of pepper. Okay. And since I like pepper, I'm going to put it in the chili version also. And this thing is not grinding. Maybe not quite as much, but still, I like chili, I like spicy, so, you know, I'm not going to be stingy.
And this cheese can be frozen, so you can put it into portions that you're going to use within 1 week and freeze it. Otherwise, if you're going to use a lot all at once, keep it in the fridge, but not for longer than 1 week. Let's give this a taste. I've got my French fry, and I'm going to start with the cheese that has turmeric, and I'm just using a spoon because the cheese is cold. But when it's room temperature, you can just dip. This was great. Great with French fries. It would also be good as a dip with chips, with vegetables, as a side dish, or a seasoning at dinner or lunch, on a sandwich, on breakfast, on toast, on crackers. There's a lot of ways you can use this cheese. Let's try the chili version now. Okay, here's the chili version. Let's see. That one's very nice too. They all go good with the French fries. Just a hint of heat. So now let's try the one that doesn't have any seasoning added to it. Really good. This cheese is so smooth, silky, so smooth. Just a nice, gentle flavor. I really love it. And I hope you like this cheese. It goes great with so many things. This recipe is part of a collaboration, and the links to all my collaborators will be in the video description, so please go visit their channels and watch their recipes as well. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments, your likes, your subscribes, your shares, your watching. I really appreciate it. If there's anything you want me to make, let me know and I will do my best. So long as it doesn't involve gluten, I will do my best to make it for you and show you how. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.